Big Slick here, and today's project is a Laserjet 4L printer, and it has 3 of these 4 lights stuck on as soon as you turn it on, and there seems to be no way to clear this error out, so we're going to troubleshoot it. And this was probably the quickest repair of the year. The problem turned out to be the memory module here must not have been seated correctly, and all I did was pull it out, hit the pins with a little bit of CRC 226 here, popped it back in, and now when you plug it in, you will see that the lights will cycle through correctly here. And obviously, since I have the cover off and the cartridge out, it's not going to go into full operation mode, but the 3 lights that were on here that were stuck on steady are obviously fixed. Okay, this is first power up after partial reassembly. Looks good. We'll go ahead and print a page. And there it is.